Okay.
So, have this ball. It's a ball. Give me your hand.
What?
You take the ball, put it in the hand. Close the hand. Tap on the ball. Make sure the ball is nice and tapped. Open the hand, and there is magically 2 balls. It's amazing. We know.
Alright, let me do it too. Okay. So we have a ball. Really deformed looking ball, okay? So we put it, we put it in your hand. You close it, you turn your hand over. Okay, open your hand, and you got 2 balls.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.